This is the video answer key for the Accelerated Math Unit 4 Review Assignment number 2. Izzy goes out to eat and spends $11.62 on a burger and a soda. She leaves a 15% tip. How much does she pay overall? So I want to find how much Izzy pays overall. I can approach this in two ways. One way is I can take $11.62 times 15% as a decimal, which is 0.15. And then that'll give me my tip amount. But I also need to pay for the burger and the soda. So I'll add that to $11.62. So when I do this, I take 11.62 times 0.15, and I get 1.743. But I still need to add on that 11.62. And when I do that, I get a grand total of $13.36 and another another 3/10 of a penny. So I'm going to need to round that. Remember that since I'm talking about money and I owe a little more than a penny but not a full penny, I still have to pay for that full penny. So it's going to cost Izzy $13.37. There's another way I could have approached this. The other way I could have approached this was to think about how much she's going to pay overall, right? Because that's really the question that I'm answering. How much does she pay overall? So if I wanted to jump right to that answer and not think about the tip amount, which is this $1.75 about, the way that I could approach this is I could say, well, Izzy's going to pay for 100% of her food, plus she's going to pay another 15% of her food. I can add those because I'm talking about the same whole. For both times, the whole is $11.62. So I'm talking about 115%, which I know I can write as 1.15. So the other way I could approach this problem is take 1.15, that 1 represents my food, 0.15 represents my tip, and multiply by my cost. So 1.15 times 11.62 is going to give me that same number, 13.363, which I know from before that I'll round to $13.37. If you're not sure why I multiplied certain things, please go back and watch the video for number 1 because I give a much more in-depth explanation there.